Thai pastes. This is lemongrass. Okay, so the lemongrass is basically a very aromatic grass which has got most of its flavor somewhere from here to the softer edge. As it gets harder, the flavor gets reduced. Then we have the Thai ginger, which is called galangal. Okay, it is also sometimes called kha ginger. And then we have the you can call it kaffir lime leaf, you can call it lemon leaf. Okay, so these are the three very important elements, very important aromatic elements of the curries. So we will start with the green curry. Okay, for the green curry, what we require is, we will correct all the ingredients here. I require lemongrass. So what I have done is I have chopped the lemongrass. We require green chilies. I will just break a few green chilies. You can also use, if you wish, you can use green chili paste, but this gives a better flavor. We'll use some garlic. We'll use some galangal. So what I have done is I have roughly chopped the galangal. These are the main flavor elements. Galangal. I'm using some shallot, or you can use onions. I have some shallots and onions both. So I'm using some shallots and onions. I'm using some kaffir lime leaf. And I'm using some kaffir lime peel, not too much, this can make the curry bitter. So almost one peel of the curry kaffir lime. I'm using the coriander stems. Use coriander stems because they give a lot of flavor and they give you a sort of freshness. Okay, a few leaves of coriander. You don't need to chop them, just cut them with your hand. This adds to the color. Okay, I have seen some people using blanched spinach, but not at this stage. Okay, you can use it at later stage. And I am adding another green element, which is the basil. Okay, to this curry. Okay, so we have almost all the elements of the green curry ready. So we have all the elements of the green curry ready now. Okay, and now what we'll do is we will be cooking it, but this will be cooked by shock. Okay, so what we will do is we have some oil. We have some very hot oil. Okay, so this oil is fairly hot. I will wait for it to get smoky a little bit, and then as soon as it gets smoky, I will be almost tempering this mixture of herbs and spices, mixture of herbs and tubers, mixture of lemongrass and everything else. I will be tempering it with very hot oil. Alright, so the oil is very hot now. It's almost at the smoke point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally temper this mixture of vegetables with this oil. You can use water at certain points, but if you are using this mixture fresh, then only use water. If you are using it today, I will be preserving it. I will be putting it into the jar and into the fridge, and I'll be using it in future. So I'm keeping it in. I'm putting oil in this. I'm not putting any salt into this as of now. Okay, so just cover it, leave it on the side for the next 10 minutes like this. After 10 minutes we'll open it, we'll stir it a little bit, and then it will go for blending. Alright, so our green mixture must be very hot, has been sitting for around 15 minutes. All the steam is now gone. Okay, I am just stirring it, and once it is nicely stirred, I am keeping it back for another 10 minutes. Alright, the green curry has mixture has been sitting here for the last 25 odd minutes. I've stirred it in between, and now I'm going to put it into a mixie jar and we're going to blend it. Okay, maybe I'll have to put it twice depending on the quantity. Let me see if I can manage this whole quantity in. I think it should be okay. Alright, so green curry mixture is in. I have somehow been able to squeeze it in, and we will blend it now. Alright, so let us see the paste. The green curry paste is done. Okay, I am going to take it out and offload it into a bowl. I am going to put it into a jar, and we are going to preserve these paste in a jar with a little bit of a top layer of some oil on top. You can put peanut oil, you can put vegetable oil. Use the warm oil that we had just made. We will use that warm oil for top. Okay, इसको धो लेंगे. So this is the green curry paste that we made. Okay, you should be careful that you don't put those extra ingredients which cause bitterness. So you should have a very balanced kind of a paste. Okay, so I'm going to now put this into a jar, and we are going to preserve it into the refrigerator. Alright, so green curry paste. This is a washed and dried jar. Fill it up nicely so that there is not too much of space for the air, and on top we will put in, okay, so that hot oil which we used for tempering it, okay, we'll just put that oil on top. Okay, and this stops the air from going in. Okay, and it is now ready to be kept in the refrigerator for. This is our green Thai curry. In case you don't have access to the curry box, you can make your own from fresh ingredients that are available mostly everywhere now. Thank you.